Hi, it's Jocelyn, your realtor with the Jocelyn Russo Group. Today is the last Friday of October 2020. I cannot believe that it's here. Tomorrow is Halloween. I hope you're still dressing up and eating some candy, but I want to give you the real estate update for this week of Northern New Jersey, and then we're going to get into our blog because this is a question I'm getting from so many people. I can't wait to address it with you. So let's get right into it. So we're going to be looking at Essex County and Passaic County this week from October 24th to today, October 30th. We're going to look at Essex County. We had 57 new homes either coming soon or active on the market. We had 54 go under contract this week and 42 sold. That is a decrease from last week. So I'm wondering if people are getting ready for the holidays. Are they just not making a move? Or is the election making an impact? Good question. And if you have questions about that, please let me know. Passaic County, we had 52 new homes came on the market, 53 went under contract, which is more than what came on, and 40 sold this past week. Again, a little bit lower than last week, so interesting to what's going on. So the question I keep getting from everybody is, should I renovate my house before selling it? It's the number one question people are asking me when they're looking to sell their home. So I want to give you the answer. First of all, I hope that you guys are looking at our real estate blog. Every week we are sending out some awesome information, like questions like this we are answering. So what is the answer? Probably not. You shouldn't have to renovate your house before you sell it. Why? I'm going to read it right from the article, and I'm going to share this article with you so you can take a look at it yourself. In today's hyper-competitive market, buyers are often willing to overlook cosmetic or minor repair needs if it means snagging a home in their price range. Ultimately, you're unlikely to recoup the full cost of most renovation projects when you sell your home. Now, if you did want to do some things that were to remodel, the most common, highest percentages of what you will receive back, here they are. Garage door replacement. You are actually going to get a 95% return on your investment from garage door replacement. Deck addition, you're going to get about a 75% return. Roof replacement, you're going to get about a 65% return. Bathroom remodel, you're going to get about a 60% return. And major kitchen remodel, you're getting about 58% payback from that. So reason why somebody might not like what you choose, there's a lot of reasons for that. So if you are going to make some updates, do your garage door replacement, deck addition, and roofing replacement. Those are the three top return on your investment if you're going to do any renovations to your home. They're also saying if the market is flooded with houses for sale, renovations might be necessary to make your house stand out. But that's not the case today. Houses are flying off the market because there are so few available to buy. 71% of homes sold in September were on the market for less than 1 month. The average home sold over 3 offers. Today's seller's market means that you might be able to skip the headache of renovations and cash in on the demand for your house. Let's connect today and to determine your next best steps. So please share this video, like it, give it a heart. Send it to a friend that you know that might be thinking of selling their home. I'd love to speak with them and help them out. Please contact us today. You can give me a call at 973-321-6033. Contact us on social media. Check out our YouTube channel. We have so many great videos about getting your home ready for sale and buying a home. So we look forward to hearing from you. And remember, who you work with matters. We'll talk to you next week. Have a great day.